Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, The Kusinera at its finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto na naman po kasama ako. So tara na! Let's start cooking! For today's recipe video, tayo po ay gagawa ng roasted beef banh mi. Now, there are several components in a Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. Pero medyo ititweak natin ito, no? Gagawin natin itong Kusinera version ng banh mi sandwich. So, first of all, we're gonna make our liver pate. I have here 1/4 of a bar of butter. I added garlic powder, nutmeg, and thyme. As for the list of ingredients, ilalagay ko na lang po siya sa ating description box below. So, I melted the butter. Pinakamabilis na po sa akin through microwave. But if you want to do it stovetop, okay lang po yon. And I have here 2 small cans of liver spread. Now, I'm gonna mix the melted butter into the liver spread to form a smooth paste by whisking it, and I'm gonna chill it in the ref. Mga kakusina, this is not the traditional way of making liver pate. Shortcut ko lang po ito. So if you wanna try it, you can do so, but if you wanna make it from scratch, okay lang po yon. Next component, we have our pickled carrots. Now, traditionally, Vietnamese banh mi uses daikon and carrots for the pickled vegetables. Daikon is actually a variety of labanos, but you cannot substitute our local labanos for it. And hindi ko rin naman hilig kumain ng labanos because it has a funky taste that I'm not a fan of. So, for this pickled veggies, I am using thinly shredded carrots and just vinegar and sugar for the pickling solution. Now, para sa protein component ng ating banh mi sandwich, this is another shortcut mga kakusina. Well, mahilig tayo sa shortcut dahil sa totoo lang ayokong pahirapan ang sarili ko sa kusina. Pero kahit shortcut ito, sinisigurado ko sa inyo na it's gonna be delicious and flavorful. Now, I am mixing cornstarch, chilies, hoisin sauce, fish sauce, and honey. Kung wala naman kayong honey, pwedeng sugar as substitute. Now, just to give you a trivial fact, real honey, namumuo po yan. So, wag po kayong magtaka at mag-worry kung namumuo ang honey ninyo. Ibig sabihin lang po, totoong honey yan. Now, for the meat, I am using Litson Baka from Andoks. Yung inihaw or roasted flavor ng beef na yan will add to the deliciousness ng ating meat. As a substitute, you can use sukiyaki cut beef. So we're gonna toss our beef quickly into the mixture and ready na ito for sauteing. I'm gonna heat up oil in a pan and magigisa po tayo ng lemongrass or tanglad. So I finely chopped this kasi kasama po yan sa ating beef. Ito po talaga yung magbibigay ng Vietnamese factor sa ating banh mi sandwich, yung lasang lemongrass. So, pag naamoy nyo na yung lemony aroma and gingery aroma ng tanglad, pwede nyo na pong ilagay yung beef. And para po medyo ma-emphasize yung lemony flavor or citrus flavor ng ating tanglad, I'm adding cocomansi. And that's it. You cook your beef until it is glossy and caramelized na siya. For the bread, hindi po tayo magbe-bake from scratch. I bought this French baguette just from a local grocery. Marami na pong mabibilhan yan. So, you just toast it until medyo crispy na po yung outside part ng bread ninyo. To add crunch sa ating roasted beef banh mi sandwich, I am slicing pipino or cucumber. And for the pickled carrots na ginawa natin kanina, we're just gonna squeeze off the excess pickling solution. We don't want that juice when you add it into the sandwich. We will also use herbs for our banh mi sandwich. I'm using my favorite, one soy or cilantro. But if you want to use basil or mint, okay lang po yon. Now, let's make our sandwich. I'm gonna slice our baguette. And medyo tatanggalan ko po ng konting laman yan para mas marami tayong mailagay na palaman. To our baguette, we're gonna spread mayonnaise, and I'm using Japanese mayonnaise for this. Wag po ninyong tipirin mga kakusina ang mayonnaise. You have to spread it liberally sa inyong bread. Now, for the pate na ginawa natin, that will be our next thing to spread. So, one side lang po ng bread para sa pate. Next, papatakan po natin ang ating bread with Knorr seasoning. Now, I know mga kakusina, nagtataka kayo bakit may Knorr seasoning, but I promise you it's gonna be worth it. Maglalagay na po tayo ng beef mga kakusina, and kung ako ang inyong tatanungin, ayaw na ayaw ko po yung sandwich na bitin ang palaman. So, kung ako sa inyo, huwag nyo na pong tipirin ang beef. Next, we will have our pickled carrots, and then we're gonna add our sliced cucumbers, and then lastly, yung ating cilantro. As much as you want, depende po yan sa inyo kung gaano karami. Ako po talaga favorite ko yung herb na yan. So there you go mga kakusina, ang ating roasted beef banh mi sandwich. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang ating recipe for today. See you again on the next video. Bye now!